Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the A194 and A195 support posts for the Outdure framing system. Let's take a look at the A194. So this is a 4x4 inch post. It comes in a 10-foot length. It's just over I think an 1/8 of an inch in thickness. So it's a 90mm by 90mm by 2.8 by 4mm wall thickness. So it's a hollow section. And it's used for frame structures that are kind of low to medium height. So and it has the associated connection for putting on a single beam or a double beam onto this post, and we're going to talk more about that shortly. Now it's got a black powder coated finish. It's got a finish where you don't need to clad it off. It's pre-finished and it looks fantastic just left as is. Now let's take a look at the A195 post. So this is a post designed for elevated decks. It's a larger profile. It's a 6x6 inch post by 20-foot length. And for the metric folk out there, that's 135 by 135 by 5.8 meter lengths. In terms of its wall thickness, we've got a, 1/4 inch thick and also 6mm for the metric guys. Now, once again, it's finished in a black powder coated finish, so you don't need to resurface it, you don't need to wrap it. You can, but it still looks great left as is. In the following videos, you're going to actually see the brackets that we have for both of these posts for how we connect our beam to our post brackets, so for single and double beams. So in summary, you don't need to worry about how to calculate how many screws or brackets or components you need. The deck planner will calculate it for you.